Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are well. So, children, today we are going to do ninth chapter. It's raining, and it's a very interesting chapter. Even it's my favorite story when I was a child. When I was a kid, in your age, I love to listen stories, and this one is my favorite story. And you all are going to enjoy it very much. Okay, so it is easy for you to learn this story because it is too much interesting. Let's do our prayer and start the chapter. So first, close your eyes, join your hands. Om. Sai Ram. Okay. As you can see the picture, children, elephant is there standing under a banana tree, and the story is going to be so much full of fun. Okay. So the character's name is Appu. What is the name of this elephant? Appu. Appu ate bananas. Okay. First paragraph says Appu ate bananas. Appu likes banana very much, and we know that elephant and monkeys almost like bananas. Okay, so he plucks and eat bananas from the trees every day. Okay, what he do? He daily plucks bananas from the tree and eat it. Pluck means todna. ठीक है. One day he saw that the banana trees were drooping. It had not rained for a long time. So one day what happened? He saw the trees are not getting proper water, and they are dried and they are dying. Okay, and there is no rain for a long time. And how Appu can see this? Banana is favorite fruit. Okay, so he can't let the banana tree to die. Okay, so what he do? Let's see. I must get water in my trunk, said Appu. He started thinking towards the river. Okay, he started walking towards the river. Okay, Appu says to himself, okay, मन में सोचता है, I must get water in my trunk. And he thought that I can get water in my trunk, I can fill it in my trunk. And he walked towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. And Appu drinks water and he enjoyed a bath. And he washed his body with the help of his trunk. As you can see in this picture, Appu is washing his body with the help of his trunk. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it into the banana trees. Now what Appu did? Appu started carrying water from the river and pouring it in the banana trees. And as soon as the banana tree got water, they came alive. And as the banana trees get water, they came alive and they survived. Appu said, from now on, I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty banana. Now what Appu said? That I will daily give you water because you always give me ripen and tasty bananas. Okay. The story, moral of the story, when an animal can understand the needs of trees, then why should not we the human being? So we must grow a plant in our home, and we should water them. Okay, we should grow more and more plants. Okay, because they give us food, they give us wood, they give us shelter. Okay, now question answer I will send you in the PDF, but we will general discuss it. What will happen if the banana trees do not get water? The banana trees will be dried or drooped and died. Okay, where do the plants get water which grow around your house? They get water from rain. Okay, otherwise we should water them. Okay, we should water them daily. Okay, and actually all the plants on the roadside get water from the rain only. Okay, otherwise sometime in summer season from SMC water tanks come and give water to the trees on the roadside. Okay, Have you seen animals drinking water, and where? uh, don't know about you children, but I have seen animals drinking water in my village, where a small water tanks were made for animals only. Okay, small water tanks of low height, so that animal can easily put their mouth inside it and can drink water. And even in villages, after near each house, okay, or outside each house, there is a water tank or food tank made for cows and dogs and those animals which are roaming on the streets. They every almost in every house, outside every house, one small water or food tank is made, in which people put their food that is left, or give water to the animals, okay, in that tank. Have you ever given water to any animal? If yes, how do the animal drinks water? Okay. Yes, I have given water to many animals like cow, dog, buffalo, and cow and the buffalo drinks water with the help of their lips, and the dog drinks water with the help of their tongue. You read in the story that Appu watered the banana trees. Then where do the other plants get water from? Okay, now what banana trees get water from with the help of Appu. Okay, Appu gave them proper water. What about other? Most of the plant get water from rain. When it rains, plant seems to get a new look. So that's why in rainy season plants look so much beautiful. They look very green and greenery all around. That's why rain is important. For a proper rainfall, we have to take care that we should not pollute the environment, we should not do pollution, we should not throw garbage on the roadside, we should not cut the trees, we should not throw wastage in rivers, okay, so that the environment will be healthy. Then there will be a balanced environment, and it will give us rain, okay. So small poem with this. So this chapter is about rains. Then we should learn a poem about clouds. White and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Color of clouds are like white and black, okay, gray color, black color, and the cloud arrive in a magic pack. Arrive means came in a magic pack. Look, these clouds look like a aeroplane, or you can say a birds, okay, and the cloud makes different shapes. Sometime I saw dogs, deer, elephants, horse, this type of shapes in the clouds. Sometime they look like deer, okay. By running here and there, when clouds run na, always go in the evening to your terrace and watch, look in the sky, how the clouds move, how beautiful they look, how different shape they changes. They changes their shape with the flow of air, okay. In the moments they come, in the moments they go, okay. Sometime not seen for months, sometime they freeze, okay. When we see this kind of structures, when they come and they go, okay, when there is a movement in cloud, then they make so beautiful structures, okay, so beautiful shapes, okay. Sometimes looks like a man walking in the sky, sometimes they look like animals, sometimes they look like structures, okay, triangular structure, round structure, okay, and sometimes they make some means a horrible structure also, you can say, okay. Then sometimes we can't see for months, okay, when there is no rainy season, okay, then there is no clouds in the sky, okay. Sometimes they freeze, okay. Sometimes they freeze means in winter they freeze, they causes fog, moisture, okay, and for weeks they stay, the clouds arrive, okay. And sometimes they stay for a week and the cloud arrive. Sometimes they freeze means कि means clouds रहते हैं, जैसे अभी from last 2-3 days you are seeing that clouds in the sky, they freeze at like it looks like they freeze there only, they are not roaming here and there and raining over our houses, okay. The clouds arrived, sometimes they roar, sometimes they pour. Roaring of clouds, oh, it is too horrible, okay. I am also afraid of clouds roaring, okay. And when lightning is there, it is looks too beautiful and its sound is too horrible. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder. Okay, thundering, when lightning happens, then they make thundering sound. Okay, spreading the colors and in a rainbow of wonder. When uh, when rain when rain occurs, just after the rain, when sun shines on the clouds, then a rainbow structure clouds give us. Okay, and sometimes they hail, then trees shades their leaves. Sometime they hail means, sometime they give so much rainfall and fast blowing winds, due to which tree sheds their leaves. Okay, the cloud arrive in a shade means गिरा देते हैं पत्तियाँ. ओके, ट्रीज की पत्तियाँ जो है गिर जाती है. The cloud arrive in a magic pack, white and black, white and black. Okay, so in this way the clouds look so magical. Okay, and their color is white and black, and they show us different interesting shapes. Okay, and they make different shapes, different size, and they suddenly they came and suddenly they go. Okay, and sometimes they stay over for a week or for 2-3 days. Okay, so this is an interesting poem about the clouds. Okay, so questions about poem. What you have seen in the clouds? Yes, if I have to answer this question, I will say I have seen many shapes in cloud, like sometime deer, sometime it looks like a man's face. Okay, sometime it looks like animals, different animals. What do the all clouds do? They come and go, they give us rain, they roar, they thunder. Okay, how do you feel when it rains? Yes, I feel very I feel very great. Okay, I feel great, and I enjoy the rain. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes, I have seen rainbows, and many times I have seen rainbows. When can you see a rainbow? Just after a rain, we have seen just after rainfall, when sun shines, then we can see rainbow in the sky, due to the scattering of light, and the scattering of light, the clouds, above the clouds, a shape of 7 colors is formed. Okay, what happens when it rains? When it rains, the clouds gives us water comes from the sky, and it is too much enjoyable moment. Okay, what do you see when it rains? Okay, when it rains, we see sometime thundering of clouds, sometime lightning of clouds. Okay, and all around water is there, and sometimes we also make boats of paper, and put them into the rainwater so that they can move in the water. Okay, apart from clouds, what do you see in the rains? And we see most of the lightning in at the time of rain, and thundering. When it rains, making paper boats and floating them on the water is really fun, isn't it? Yes, it is very funny and enjoyable moment when we float paper boats in the rain. Make a paper boat and float it on water. Now this is your task. You have to enjoy. Make a paper boat and float it on water in your house, in any bucket or any tub, or you can float it on rainwater in your street. Okay, but be careful. Keep a umbrella with you. If you are going in the rain, keep a umbrella with you, because season is changing and you may get cold. Okay, so be careful. And our chapter is completed, children, and I will give you question answers very soon. Okay, this is our 9th chapter and we have completed it, and please watch the video 2 to 3 times. It is a very interesting and easy chapter, so learn it quickly. Okay, bye. Sai Ram, take care.